Hey everyone, today we're taking a deep dive into Texbiom.com, a site that's been getting a lot of attention online. Is it a real platform or is it just another scam waiting to take your money? Let's look at some of the key details before you decide whether to trust it or steer clear. Quick disclaimer before you jump in, this review is based on my personal opinion and research. I'll be discussing details from the official website and reviews from users, so stay tuned for my final verdict. Texbiom.com claims to be an online platform, but is it legit? I checked out their official website, texbiom.pro, and it looks polished with a clean design. They offer services that sound appealing, but as we'll see, things aren't as always straightforward as they seem. On Trustpilot, Texbiom has a 3.8 star rating from 164 reviews, with total of 62% from being 5-star. That sounds promising at first glance. However, when we dig deeper, we see some troubling patterns emerging. Recent reviews highlight users facing issues with withdrawals. One review mentions having over 20 million in their account, but in order to withdraw, they were asked to deposit an additional $258, a demand that many users find alarming, especially since the site allegedly requires extra deposits to unlock balances. Several users are calling it a scam, advising others not to deposit money. They specifically point out that the site's cunning tactics of demanding more deposits before you can access your winnings. So is Texbiom.com real or fake? Based on the reports of additional deposit demands and the consistent user complaints, I would say be cautious. While it's possible that some people have had positive experiences, the trend of withholding withdrawals and asking for extra money before users can access their funds is a red flag. If you've had any experiences with Texbiom.com, I'd love to hear you from the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe online.